Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Planarista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my social media for the week of April 25th through May 1st. Can you guys believe it's May already? So as always, to start with, I'm going to go ahead and glue down the page that I create for me to track all of the videos and posts that I make. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to cut this excess off and we can get started. I am going to be using stickers from, stickers that I made. I purchased some images from Etsy and made my own stickers. So here we go. While I do that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you are coming back and choosing to spend time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so very much for choosing to spend time with me. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and do this really quickly. And it should be a pretty quick video. And if you don't know already, this planner that I'm using is called Modern Day, and it is a dashboard layout. And every week I change that left side dashboard into my own needs of a video tracker. Look at all of these tulips. They're like so perfect for spring and for right now. We had such a beautiful day of weather here. I can't get enough of it, so hopefully this continues and I can grow some of my own plants soon. Outside of planning, what kind of hobbies do you guys have? What do you do? Do you love plants? Do you have other hobbies? Maybe you're coloring some books or doing some other stuff. I'm just super curious to see what you guys do. Okay, so I'm just adding some of these beautiful tulips right here, and I'm making my own kind of clusters where I'm adding the flowers behind these. Excuse me, I think that looks so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing so. I'm gonna add this little gate or fence or whatever you want to call it. It's so cute. So lately I've been gravitating into making my own stickers more and more. So I really love doing these. I think I've learned a lot about sticker making this year, so it's a lot of fun to do, but it's also a lot of work. Okay, let's keep going and add more flowers, because why not? I really love how bright and fun and really spring-like these stickers are. Okay, so a hat, because spring without a hat, you have more and more sun exposure, so that's a must. I just really love these. Look at this one, like with the cracked vase is so beautiful. Okay, and I think I'm gonna add this little birdhouse, because why not? So I have a little birdie. How cute, right? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's add that to the corner. I don't think I'm going to be adding too much of stuff in here because, like I said, I want to make sure that I still have always room to write. And I still need to add boxes. So let's go ahead and add just a couple more elements and go from there. Okay, let me add one that's already open. Yeah, and one behind that leaf. So this little patch is working pretty great. Okay, so there we go, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some boxes. I haven't made any boxes for this with the same colors, so I think I'm just gonna grab maybe Mojo Jojo, and then add these boxes. So when they squared away, I'm just gonna add a couple more individual flowers to the week to make sure that every single box is decorated. I love a fall planner, especially my social media, because I don't really write a lot in here. I only write what I really need, whereas my catch-all is usually overflowing with writing. Okay, let's add a pink one to kind of balance this out. Beautiful. And let's add some more yellow to that side, or maybe a full bouquet. Yeah, I made a lot of pages of stickers, you guys. Here we go. Okay, so I grabbed the pastels from Mojo Jojo because, like I said, I have not made my own boxes for this one, so I will grab some pink, some green, and some yellow, and then make those boxes work. We are almost done with this spread. Let me know down below what you guys think. I really enjoyed making this one. I think it's a lot of fun. You guys let me know what you think about this. I would love to hear, and I can't wait to see you for another plan with me. Let's go ahead and pop this back into my planner after I switch these colors because something is not balancing. I think the yellows are too close, maybe. Let's pop this back in my planner and see how it looks with the discs. And cut off some edges. There we go. Okay, yeah, so I think the yellow bugs me. But I think it's, yeah, let me go ahead and straighten these out and we will be done. I'm gonna switch the pink and the yellow because like I said, they are kind of too close and it doesn't balance. So I'm gonna switch them and that should complete the spread. And I'm just showing you what happens sometimes after I finish a spread and something doesn't balance. I will sit there and look and make sure it does. But we are done now. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.